Welcome back to the show. Thanks for staying with us. Today we have Miles Savage, who's the lead singer from the Platters, here to talk about their concert tonight.
Emily, are you ready to rock and roll?
Of course I am.
Well, let me just say, Madison County, are you ready to rock and roll? Because we're going to raise the roof tonight of the Nair Theater at 7 o'clock. The stars from the Temptations, the Platters, the Coasters, and the Drifters. We're going to be singing songs like Only You Kinda Who Make the Swell Seem Right. And baby, we're going to be making some money out there for the Boys and Girls Club of Jackson, Tennessee. Can I hear a good shout for yeah, baby?
And that's just a preview of what's going to be on tonight.
Oh, we've got some fantastic stars coming in from Las Vegas. This is going to be a great show. We're going to not only bring back some memories, we're going to make some memories tonight. I tell you, all you husbands, you better bring your wives, and your boyfriends better bring your girlfriends, because you won't be able to do wrong for the next 10 years. And let me guarantee something to you. You're going to be able to understand every word that comes out of our mouths tonight. That's the beauty of the whole music, man.
And so tonight's concert, it's at the Ned at 7 o'clock?
At the Ned at 7 o'clock tonight. Be there or be square. We're going to rock and roll, but believe me, we want you to bring your pocketbooks and your wallets tonight, because the Boys and Girls Club, they really need you. We got Sabrina over there at the Boys and Girls Club, and she's doing a fantastic job for the community. So come on out and support us. Come on out and shout with us. How about that, Emily? Let's show them what we're going to do. She's standing up, baby. We're going to stand on up. Come on, camera later. We're going to show them what we're going to do. We're going to shake, we're going to rattle, and we're going to roll, and we're going to twist. Woo! We're going to get the audience into it, too, and we're going to have a fantastic time. Bring your children. We love the children to come, because when the children come, they hear wholesome music. This is a family show, and you're going to have a fantastic time.
And how much does it cost for them to come out to the show?
As a matter of fact, if you get there before 6 o'clock, we're going to give you the buy one, get one free ticket. Did you hear what I said? I said free! Be there or be square.
See, it's going to be a great event. You don't want to miss it tonight. And coming up next, stay with us. Ryan Hoke will take a final look at your forecast after the break.